Okay, hi, this is Greg. I'm going to show you how you can use the new Gemini AI using 3 Pro to analyze a golf swing. So upload a video clip from your phone. You can use the Gemini app, which is a little bit easier because you've got your phone, and if you recorded the video clip on your phone, you can just upload it directly. So the prompt is, as an expert golf pickleball coach, analyze this golf swing. I probably should have just said expert golf coach. Been playing too much pickleball, so that was probably on my mind. So then the AI said, as an expert golf coach, I've analyzed your swing video. So it's smart enough to know that. And so it analyzed my friend's golf swing. Said he has an overswing, left arm breakdown, and then even a prescription for a better swing. Okay, so then I uploaded my videos, and I know people have a lot of opinions about my golf swing, so I'll just quickly upload the clip just so you can see. Okay, that looks like there's some improvement I can make on the actual backswing. I do like the follow through, but let's see what Gemini AI has to say. So the prompt was, after I uploaded the video clips using the add files button. So I uploaded 2 video clips. This is the other one. I'll just fast forward a bit because that take a while to set up. Okay, so that's the second video. I just said, what about this swing? Because it remembers the first prompt. So it says, I see we have a different golfer here, and it bolded, it's very arm dominant with limited body rotation. Very good observation. Okay, so it's saying again, the backswing, all arms, no power coil. I'm bending my left arm significantly to get the club up. So I gotta turn my torso more. The downswing is coming down at a steep angle. Weight stays on my back foot too long. And then I have an unstable base. So it has a prescription for improvement. So step 1, flashlight drill. Step 2, keep the right heel down. Okay, so keep the right heel glued to the ground even when the ball is hit. I like how it bolds certain parts to emphasize it. And then instead of chopping wood, make the feel like sweeping the floor. So very interesting. I'm using 90% arm, 10% body. So turn the chest away from the target, plant the feet. So those are good observations. So then it's asking a follow-up prompt. Would you like a specific drill to keep my arm straight? So I'll just say yes, drill, because I'm lazy. So let's see what drills it gives me to improve the arm rotation. Probably going to involve using some stick or some rubber band as an aid. But let's see what Gemini says. Okay, my arms are disconnecting from the body. Take a driver and tuck, or golf towel, tuck it firmly underneath the left armpit. Keep the head cover in place. Okay. So this is a good drill for me to practice, and I could actually export it to a Google Doc so I can look at this later. And yeah, I'm actually gonna take this drill to the driving range next time I go. So that's how you can analyze your golf swing using video clips from your phone.